Hi, I'm Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm PC. In our prior video series, we discussed how a California trust gets under court supervision. This is the second and final video of a two-part video series focusing on how that impacts carrying out the trust provisions, in other words, trust administration in California. As we discussed in the prior video, additional requirements and restrictions apply to trusts that are under court supervision. They are: 1. The trust must be irrevocable. 2. The trustee, who is the person in charge, can invest in only certain types of investments. 3. The trustee must file a surety bond with the court. 4. The trustee must file periodic account petitions with the court for approval. 5. Only the court can appoint a successor trustee of the trust. 6. The trustee cannot sell trust real estate without obtaining prior court approval. And 7, the court must approve the trustee's fees and his attorney's fees prior to the trustee paying these fees from the trust estate assets. I fleshed out items 1 through 4 in the prior video. I'll flesh out here items 5 through 7. 5th, only the court can appoint a successor trustee. If the current trustee wants to resign, then he needs to obtain court approval of resigning and court approval of the specific successor trustee. If the current trustee becomes unable to continue to act as trustee due to lack of capacity or death, then another interested party would need to request that the court appoint a specific successor trustee to take over. 6th, the trustee cannot sell trust real estate without obtaining prior court approval. For more information about obtaining prior court approval to sell real estate, see our prior videos regarding conservatorships. The process is the same with conservatorships of the estate and with trusts subject to court supervision. 7th, the court must approve the trustee's fees and his attorney's fees prior to the trustee paying these fees from the trust estate assets. The trustee cannot pay his trustee fees or the fees of his attorney from the trust estate without first obtaining court approval to pay those fees. The court will approve those fees only in amounts that the court finds are just and reasonable. Many of these requirements and restrictions require significant legal work and result in significant additional attorney's fees. And most of the time, all of this is avoidable, as we discussed in the 4th video of the video series regarding how trusts get under court supervision. Hiring an attorney experienced with trusts can help with avoiding all of this. In addition, the advice and guidance of an attorney experienced with trust court cases is invaluable for attaining your goals in these types of cases. At Meinzer Law Firm PC, we have over 20 years of experience helping clients achieve their goals in trust cases. Again, I'm Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm PC. If you know that you need our help, or even if you just have a question, please contact us and let us take care of you.